Aerfin started off in 2010. They're based in South Wales, small offices. I initially employed a finance director. We both worked together acquiring aircraft, engines, aircraft themselves for lease, for disassembly and for trading. We also provided a lot of consultancy services. We grew the company to 12, 15 people, a couple of $1 million in revenues by 2012. The strategic turning point was in 2014 when we relocated to the facilities in Caerphilly. Moved much more into the acquisition of whole aircraft, whole engines, leasing engines and aircraft component parts trading. At that point we needed to expand the business. We took premises in London Gatwick, acquired the assets and interests of another company and through an M&A process have grown the platform. Today the business employs 90 staff. We had revenues at the end of 2016 of $80 million.
We've seen 1,044% growth in the last 2 years. The main reasons are threefold. Firstly, the 80% stakeholder acquisition by Carval. That's enabled us to operate on a fleet acquisition platform rather than single asset. The acquisition by Aerfin of ASC, that has allowed us to offer a nose-to-tail full airframe and engine solution. And thirdly, an experienced and dedicated staff.
So there are some key benefits to being located in Wales have been the staff availability. As a business we started off heavily involved in power plant engineering and having British Airways located in South Wales, General Electric, Lufthansa facilities, Nordam. There's an aerospace cluster. That aerospace fosters growth and working with the local colleges has been instrumental in us bringing in the right level of quality staff. Certainly with a power plant background and the skills and resources locally have really helped us to grow.
Aerfin was named the fastest growing company in the Wales, Fast Track 50. What has happened since is Aerfin as a company has gone further. Our knowledge and our sort of stand in the community has changed. Much easier now from a HR perspective to get interest from not only outside businesses but individuals who are interested in finding what we do, either to join us or to work closer with us.
Depending on the business sector, for those young startup companies, I would say go and visit your customers, understand your customer needs, understand what is driving your business sector, what are the key technology changes. So get out there, see the world, meet the people, understand customer needs, I think would be paramount.
The advice I would give is to have a clearly defined strategy and a clear vision of where you're heading. Without that, we wouldn't have been able to attract the talent to thrive in the environment that we're in, and we wouldn't have attracted, or unlikely to have attracted, the likes of a Carval to invest in the business in the first place.
Customer support is paramount, making sure you do what you say and you say what you do. It's taken us a long while to build up a great customer base, a great reputation, a great brand and an image, and that can be easily destroyed through the lack of customer focus. So ensuring you've got total customer support and staff aligned with the customer's interest, making sure that you're working with people, working as a team, sharing with them your goals, your objectives has been really important to the business growth.